Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone pins, pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin, pattern and password lock, and you have tried a lots of videos to unlock your smartphone, but still now you are not able to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. What I'm going to give you tricks in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to follow with your smartphone to unlock your smartphone. Okay, and if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone, so don't worry at all. By the new method what I have reached to you to unlock your smartphone is most important, so your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month, so if your phone is not unlocked with the help of today's video, then take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next videos for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, now as you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be shut down. So now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly I will have to switch off my phone's all network, and for this simply I will have to slide my phone downside like this. Now you can see here there are lots of keys here. Now you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's flight mode option. After activating your phone's flight mode or airplane mode option, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be switched off. And after this, now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. And the most important thing I would also like to tell you my friend, by this new method you don't have to go any service center of your any smartphone, and you don't need any computer application, and you don't have to pay a single money to unlock your smartphone. By the sitting at home you can also unlock your smartphone within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so after this, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running application should be closed down, and generally it is not possible to close the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some special secret codes which generated by the every service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. So what I am going to give you, this secret code is only valid for 2 or 3 days. Okay, so now I am going to feed this secret code in dialing pad. So how will you activate your phone dialing pads in locked phone? Okay, simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. After opening your phone's dialing pad, you will have to feed the secret code to close the running application here in this dialing pad. And today's secret code is star #999 then star 8080 then star 000 then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. And after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on the secret code 3 times continuously. After call on the secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, now I am going to give you a special USSD code which is used to switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is star #899 then hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this USSD code *#899#, a new page has been appeared and the page name is after sales page. Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page from top to bottom. You can say with me. Now you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this software version option, and when you will open your phone's software version option, you will get a lots of option on your new page. You can see here. Now the first option is showing here your phone's model number, that is RMX3471. You don't have to go with this option. Simply you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, so don't worry at all. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times continuously. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you can see here there are also a 3 type of option on this page. You don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see here at the end of the slide, other option has been appeared on my phone display. There are also a 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here the 4th option is showing here main board version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board option 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to go with this option. At the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will reach to a new page and it will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the 2nd time you will have to cancel here, and the 3rd time you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this option, you will have to confirm this with the OK button, and when you will click on this OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, but before going to the last step, what I'm going to spell you out in this video, the main thing is that you will have to follow the every step very carefully. If you have skipped a single step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you have wasted your time, and you will comment your video is fake. Okay, so watch the video properly and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone in a single time. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also lots of options on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry for it. You can see here all the option is showing here operation not started. Simply you will have to start these operations by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. You can also see with me, test has been started but test failed. The second option, test has been started and test passed, and the 3rd option, test has been started but test failed. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display in green color. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Simply you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. So simply I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box which type of issues you are facing to unlock your smartphone. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.